G'day, my name's Tom Granlees and I'm a quantitative geneticist employed by the New South Wales DPI. With Sally Martin from Sheep Metrics and Julius van der Werf from UNE, we recently finished the 5-year UNE Merino link DNA stimulation project co-funded by the MLA donor company. In 2018, the DNA project set a bold target of doubling the rate of genetic gain with a group of 30 stud breeders. Dougal Campbell is a commercial ram buyer who wanted to better understand how to use ASBVs to breed the most profitable sheep suited to his property and management style. Through the DNA project, Dugald used the Ram Team Manager in Ram Select website to keep track of his Ram Team average ASBVs. Come sale time each year, with the help of a genetic service provider, he was then able to shortlist rams best suited to improve the genetic merit of his ram team to help improve profitability. As a result of the DNA project, Dugald's ram team annually increased by 4.6 DP plus points per year, which was an increase of 170% prior to the project. Here's Dougal's story.
Why do I choose to breed Merinos? I choose it because it's a passion. I love doing it, and it has so many bits of a puzzle. Like, it's just not a basic. Like, you can breed cows and you can breed crossbreds and you can breed Dorpers, but they just do one job, most of them, and that's the bit of meat. Whereas Merinos will give you everything that's different. They'll give you interest of wool, growth, production. Okay. They are a very, very interesting animal, and that's why I do it. So we're a family partnership, my brother and I. So as a family, we decided to focus on early weaning and post-weaning and just early growth on the lambs. So we want the lambs to hit the ground running, and we want them to grow and compete with the meat sheep. And so we're getting to a stage now where we're finding our lambs are much more saleable at a much earlier stage, which has helped us a lot. Why did I get involved in the DNA project? I got involved with my stud, which is Bellalana Merinos, which is Scotty and Anna Bryan. They put me on to Sally Martin, and through Sal we started testing our young ewes to see what fat and eye muscle we had, staple length, all those things. And the education I got out of that was enormous. And so far, last 4 years, we've been tracking that growth, and my ram selection has changed dramatically because of that. Some of the key learnings I've got from the DNA project is rams I was selecting initially that I would have walked in on a sale, I no longer look at. I don't waste time on animals that I would have thought would have been great because I thought they looked good in the wool, but I actually had no idea, once I took the jacket off them, whether they're any good. So now I'm finding out with the use of Sally Martin and her team that I can go into a ram sale and quickly identify my 30 or 40 rams out of the 120 that I need to spend time on, not the rest, which is massive to me, and it also helps me go, they're my goals, they're my line, that's what I want to buy, that'll help me a lot on the production going forward.
It has been great to work with Dougal over the past 5 years, using the flock profile and Ram Team Manager in Ram Select to benchmark his flock and Ram Team. And we've used this information to then set the criteria for future ram purchases that align with his breeding objective.
The result of the project helped me do things like early joinings, such as ewe lamb joinings, and whether it's right or wrong, it's helped me actually grow my young ewes out faster. So the next step for our merino business, breeding business, is making sure that I'm getting the right wools on the sheep, but also get the growth on the sheep.